Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make matcha madeleines. Today I'm making simple madeleine a little Japanesey by adding matcha flavor to it. It takes some time because you need to rest the dough, but other than that, it's very simple, easy and worth trying. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 60 grams sugar, 110 gram all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons honey, 4 gram baking powder, 10 gram matcha powder, 2 eggs and 120 gram butter. 2 eggs into the bowl. Add 60 grams sugar and mix it well. 2 tablespoons of honey, and just keep mixing. In here, I'm adding melted butter, so let's microwave it. I did 1 minute at 600 watt. Before adding it to the bowl, let's butter the mold using this melted butter so that you don't have to melt the butter separately just to butter it. And just set it aside until you use it. Let's add the remaining butter into the bowl. Mix it well. Let's shift flour, matcha powder, and baking powder into the bowl. Using spatula for the intermix. Nice and glossy. Prepare pastry bag and 2 binder clips. Fold it up here. Put the binder clip. Put it in a measuring cup or tall glass. Put the dough in the pastry bag. Push the air out, fold it down here, and using the other binder clip, close the bag. Put this in the fridge and chill for at least 2 hours. It's been chilled for 4 hours, so let's put it in the mold and bake. Remove the binder clip. Push it down. Bake for 12 minutes in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Baked for 12 minutes and it's smelling so good. Let's take them off from the mold and cool down on the rack. It's completely cooled down, so it's time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so light and airy, but rich and buttery at the same time. You do taste the matcha flavor, but it's not too strong or too bitter. Absolutely delicious. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!